If you need to add again, it will come here.
Okay. And that is extra spray.
Yeah. Additional spray. Sprayer.
There is in the middle. There is up or no?
There is.
Small, huh?
Yes.
This is for rinse head.
No, this one.
This is rinsing it.
This one
For
dishwasher liquid
tablet.
tablet.
Liquid or tablet.
What
This
is
is
the
it.
use of the rinsing aid?
Rinsing it, I think it will remove the all kind of if small spot, the stains are there. It will
Stain,
remove.
yeah.
What
Huh?
else?
I don't know.
Extra
I'm
dry.
asking, Baba. I'm not telling.
It helps to dry the dishes inside.
Rinse it,
Dry.
drying.
Sometimes there is customer will complain after 2 months they will complain. My dishes is not drying. Ma'am, did you put rinsing aid? No.
This one also,
You have
guys.
to put.
This one inside. You see that one?
This is what? This ring.
The round one. Hole.
Heat air coming.
Heat
Hot
coming
air.
there. Extra dry function.
Okay. Thank you.
How about the program? Can I see?
Sorry, explain. Automatic. This is for cutlery.
Glass.
Glass vessel. 70 degree for what?
Intensive.
Intensive. Any which kind of pots?
Any parts?
Any parts, as long as this one having
Eco?
a heavy soil grease.
This is also for glass only.
Glass.
Glass.
Actually, this one I think mix.
Mix.
Yes.
If I want to use plate, cup, saucer, everything, use
Correct.
this.
Yes, yes.
And this is for
Quick.
Quick wash.
How many
Quick
minutes
shine.
for your quick wash? 30?
this is 15 minutes what?
No, this one it will take 30 minutes.
There is the sign of 15 minutes. No?
That is sign of the clock.
Yeah, but 15 minutes.
15
showing, na?
minutes, yeah.
3 o'clock.
And this one for pre-wash.
This for what?
Extra spray.
This.
This one extra program.
This.
Pre-wash, man.
Pre-wash. Pre-wash. Then this is
Upload.
this.
Quick
This
wash.
one is same like this.
Same like this.
This one. Same like this, but with extra spray.
Okay. ये हाफ लोड है एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस दिस इज व्हाट